What happened right now is that जो लड़का हमारा कार्ड होता है तो उन्होंने मेरा मतलब हमारी गाड़ी की वाइपर तोड़ दिया है. उसने कम से कम 3 बार तोड़ा है. एंड राइट नाउ इट्स रेनिंग ओवर हियर एंड वी आर इन द मिडिल ऑफ द हाईवे एंड आवर वाइपर जस्ट फ्लू. बारिश की वजह से जैसे ही वाइपर शुरू किया वाइपर ऐसे उड़ गया ऊपर से. मतलब एंड देयर इज नो वन ओवर हियर एंड वी डोंट नो लाइक हाउ इट विल वर्क. ऐसे करना ये इट्स वर्किंग. पर पूरा गीला हो गया. हालत खराब. Yeah, finally I'm out and we are leaving for my hometown. It's a little bit of a roller coaster, of course. We have to take a step by being uncomfortable. So right now we are on the UP Expressway, like the Yamuna Expressway. We are going to stop for 3 times in 3 different places. Right now I'm going to Gorakhpur. It's in UP. Like we have to pass through Lucknow and then we have to stop at Gorakhpur. जो पहला दिन है हम लोग गोरखपुर पे रहेंगे and we are actually searching for pet friendly hotels because of course Peanut is there. It will be difficult for us if anyone doesn't allow him to stay, you know. Since we'll be traveling for 8 to 10 hours every day, like 8 to 10 is very minimum. It will be like maximum 12 to 13 hours. We will be passing through a little bit of a dangerous parts as well because we are going through Bihar, we are going through UP. So these are some of, you know, what I have heard about, like, you know, little bit of risky part and risky road where, you know, there are a lot of things that happens, you know, all the time. बहुत सारी चीज़ें होते रहते हैं. I'm just, you know, feeling a little bit curious and of course excited as well. But let's see how it goes. So it's around 10 a.m. in the morning and we are stopping for some breakfast and we are going to eat something over here and then after that we will be traveling non-stop so that we reach there before evening because of course after evening we are not going to drive since it's a little bit risky with lots of things over here because there are a lot of expensive things in our car. बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसे भर के जा रहे हैं जो हमें चाहिए जो बहुत costly है तो we are trying to prohibit traveling during the evening time. Like this is the first time we are going on a very long road trip. Like it's for 4 days. Before we used to go for 1 or 2 days, but this is a very long road trip and this will be the most memorable one because of course I'm going to meet my parents, my family and everyone. So yeah, hope for the best. So we are getting some coffee in the midway. बस बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आ रही है. मतलब अभी कितना घंटा हो गया? 6 घंटा हो गया शायद ना. 6 घंटा 7 घंटा 8 घंटा हो गया. It's like 8 hours and then like we are trying to keep ourselves active but नहीं हो पा रहा है. मतलब कुछ भी कर रही हूँ, कॉफ़ी पी रही हूँ, पानी लगा रही हूँ, कुछ भी कर रही हूँ, सब चीज़ें कर रही हूँ बट वी आर फीलिंग सो स्लीपी. मतलब जाते जाते भी ऐसे आंखें झपक रही है. ये तो बंदा ही इज तो ऑलवेज स्लीपी मैन. उसका भी नींद पूरा नहीं हुआ. वो भी बंदा बहुत ही दिक्कत से सो के जा रहा है आधा आधा करके. I think we have I think 3 hours left in order to reach. Yeah, like after we took a break. मतलब जैसे ही ब्रेक लिया तो थोड़ा बढ़ गया but I think minimum it's around 3 hours that we will reach our destination. मतलब 3 घंटा है अभी destination पहुंचने के लिए but I'm just making some coffee in order to just wake myself up. This helps a lot. लेकिन ये शॉर्ट होता है कॉफ़ी के ज़्यादातर।
चले
चलो। It's raining cats and dogs. यहाँ पर इतना बारिश हो रही है, इतना बारिश हो रही है. So basically it's around 7 PM in the evening. But as you can see, यहाँ पर पूरा जितने भी जगह है, रास्ता है, सब जगह पर पूरा फ्लड होके रखा है. And we did a very risky thing to visit during the monsoon time. बारिश के टाइम पे हम लोगों ने विजिट किया, तो it's so rainy. So it's 1 AM in the morning, and let me just tell you a very bad experience I am going through while staying in Uttar Pradesh. So we checked into a hotel in Gorakhpur. It's a place in UP, like it's a city in UP. Oyo is a scam. Like Oyo does scam from a very long time. I just heard about it from many people, a long time ago. But in reality, that's a true thing, because we checked into this room. Let me just show you. This bed sheet is full of mosquitoes. They did not provide us any kind of mosquito repellents. They did not provide us good bed sheets. These are such dirty bed sheets. And after fighting with the owner and caretakers, and हम लोगों ने बस 2 घंटे सोए हैं. Like it's only 2.5 hours we slept. Like इतना बड़ा जर्नी करने के बाद भी. And right now we are going back because इतना मच्छर काट रहा है. There is no electricity. You can see this. ये जो फैन है, ये फ़ैन इतना गंदा है कि ये फ़ैन चल ही नहीं रहा है, ना एसी चल रही है. देयर इज़ नो एयर कंडीशनर, एंड राइट नाउ वी आर स्वेटिंग so badly with mosquito bite. You can see palm stains. Like these are very dirty walls that I have ever experienced in my life. We did plan to check out at 4 AM in the morning, but there was no choice. Like we have to leave here. अभी तो नहीं चाहिए. We just entered Bihar, and the petrol over here is a little bit costly. It's like an addition of 10 rupees for 1 liter of petrol. So yeah, pretty good, but this is a little bit risky since we are entering Bihar. Yeah, it's been told that Bihar is a little bit dangerous because of the people, like getting thief or getting robbed or anything like that. Let's just see. So let's start with Bihar now. Like this is the best chai I am having like after a long time. Right now I'm in Bihar. Bihar में हूँ मैं. We'll be going again. Beautiful, like the such a beautiful sunset. Oh, sorry, sunrise. How are you feeling in Bihar? How is the chai? चाय कैसा है बताओ?
What the birds?
बहुत गर्म था वैसे. Having लिट्टी in बिहार. कैसा है? कचौड़ी
अच्छा
जैसा.
है. बेटर है फिर भी.
कचौड़ी से बेटर है.
चने कचौड़ी जैसा कुछ है और प्याज वगैरह है.
So this is West Bengal and we are on the roads of West Bengal. हम लोग गली गली में जा रहे हैं अभी. So we are going to our hotel and then we are going to stay over there for a day. Then we'll be entering Assam. So right now we are in West Bengal and it's so good to see the people who actually looks like me, speak some similar language like me. So I'm pretty sure Peanut will enjoy his vacations, his nani's place. So since we travel a lot, he has experienced these places most of the times. But he is going to experience some other things in my places because he is going to stay there for in a longer period. These are tea gardens and these are like the clearest clouds you will ever see anywhere. Antique Pani Puri, that means Kolkata's puchka, and Pani Puri has been generated from this place itself, like from West Bengal. Not West Bengal itself, the Bengalis itself. This is known as the original ones. Oh, sorry.
दिल्ली से ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. दिल्ली को
अपना घर का आसाम में.
इसका घर आसाम में, मेरा घर दिल्ली में.
I stay.
उधर बंद है भैया.
कल नहीं वैसे भी सेट करने का मसला ही नहीं रहता है.
पराठे बोलते हैं. खड़े
मसाला का है.
इसके बारे में नहीं बोल रही. This is our traditional nimbu, hajinemu, and this is kheera, that means cucumber. These are the side vegetables. Side dishes are always available along with our thalis. This is local chicken which is not injected, and this is the most purest one. Like, and it's costly as well. He is trying to have some fish, some local fish, and some rice along with some papad. How are you feeling? कैसा लग रहा है तुम्हें नॉर्थ ईस्ट आके? So we right. So we are finally like entering our hometown. We'll be there in around 4 hours. As you can see, this is like it will rain all the time. मतलब हर टाइम बारिश होती रहती है यहाँ पर, और बीच बीच में जैसे कभी कभार रुक जाते हैं तो लोग काम कर लेते हैं। तो यही जैसे ही मॉनसून सीजन है यहाँ पर फ्लड होता है ज़्यादातर, इसकी वजह से ही बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिकॉशंस लेना पड़ता है यहाँ पर। बट एज यू कैन सी द वेदर इज सो गुड, लाइक दिस इज नेचर, यू नो। वो नहीं है कि रेन से आपको कोई दिक्कत होगा या फिर ऐसा कोई पोल्यूटेड रेन नहीं आएंगे। दिस आर सो प्योर एंड क्लीन रेन। लव पीपल टू शो अराउंड कि सच में हमारा जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट है ये पूरा नेचुरल है। यहाँ पर इतनी ग्रीनरी है हर जगह, मतलब ऐसा कोई जगह नहीं है जहाँ पर ग्रीनरी नहीं हो। इतना ज़्यादा कमर्शियलाइजेशन नहीं आया है। सो आई फील कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट शुड स्टे लाइक दिस, एक्सप्लॉइट नहीं होना चाहिए। आई फील लाइक finally we have reached home and he's so excited. Like I'm excited, he's not excited by the way. Yeah. Welcome home. मम्मा नानी का घर। Mama is helping him with gamusa. This is known as Assamese gamusa. Yes, respected Assamese gamusa. चले अंदर।
पीनट
So finally we are having our lunch at my home. So this is our traditional food. It's fish, local chicken, some rice. This is local lemon, name this gul lemu, and same चीज़ उनके पास भी है। कैसा लग रहा है? यहाँ पर मजाक कर रही हूँ. And I am going to have my favorite ghost chili. This is ghost chili and this is known as corn jolokya. This is only found in Assam. ये कहीं और नहीं मिलता है. ये बहुत तीखा होता है.